All right, buddy, you ready to do a room tour for YouTube? Yes. Okay, let's talk about all the wonderful benefits of staying at the Swan and Dolphin.
Here in room 2177 of the Dolphin on the West Tower. Your fire truck on the room tour? Welcome in. On the right hand side, you walk in, you have a pretty good closet actually with lots of hanger space. As you can tell, we've already been in here for a little bit.
My shoes in there.
Your shoes are in here. We've unpacked, we've got settled in the room. So this is like a realistic what your room will probably look like once you live in here. So we got all the hangers. We brought our hanging bag. And this is, if you watched my packing video from our last trip, this is the hanging organizer that I talked about with all of Owen's clothes. And I just used a couple of hangers to hang it up in here, and it fits really nicely inside. You also have a little suitcase organizer. There's an upper shelf and plenty of room in here. It's actually one of the largest closets in, it's like a Disney hotel. I know this is a Disney hotel because we're at the Dolphin. It is a Sheraton hotel, but on Disney property.
Yeah. Ironing board, safe.
Ironing board and safe.
Yep. We never use that, but it's there for people to do.
As you walk in, you have an area over here with a mirror. It has a pull-out mirror if you want to use it for a secondary area for getting ready. Yes, I would love to play with you on toys. You've got your ice bucket, some cups, whatever you want to use it for, and your coffee pots. We have obviously, like I said, unpacked everything. We use this for all of our food storage. That's got cups and waters. They gave us some water at check-in. I've got everything just kind of stored here easily to be able to get to it. Yes. And if you right across from this area is our bathroom area. It's only a single sink. That might be a downside to some people. It's fine. Like, we don't typically get ready at the same time, but it is a little bit tighter of a space. There's this cute little shelf over here. I don't know if you can show that, Zach, that has a couple of shelves with some more glasses that I might move, just so we can use this for some storage area to be able to unpack a little bit. And then under the sink is just a single shelf as well, and I've got a couple of my things on here. And then there's a door with a very nice full-size mirror. And that'll have your shower and your toilet. Just a very standard, nice little towel work, but shower curtain. It has, you can see here, the Swan and Dolphin shampoo, conditioner, and shower gels. I love that. Hadn't taken a shower in here yet, but it looks like a decent shower head. We'll find out. Okay. We're coming on out of the bathroom and into the main part. We are in a connecting room, so we have this area here with the door, but it works out really well for us to be able to park a stroller. So if you have a stroller, it makes a nice stroller parking area.
Ooh. See how much of the Owen input we leave and cut out.
Yeah. Then you have a actually really nice area of drawers with the TV. I love when a room has a nice drawer space. It has 4 very deep drawers. We've kind of unpacked into these and designated an entire drawer for Owen's toys, which he is loving right now. This is his toy drawer. And you also have a cabinet with your little mini fridge. It's pretty cold. We've got, you know, all of his snack foods in there. It's keeping it nice and cold. And he's got, like I said, all of his toys. A little bit of everywhere. As we were packing, he decided that he needed more and more and more toys, so it just kind of escalated to what you see.
More toys.
More toys. You do got more toys. And then we are in a queen bed, two queen bed room. So we have 2 queen beds. On this side, it's completely empty. There's nothing. There's only the one bedside table, but it does have 2 shelves here with a lamp that has 2 plugs and then 2 switches for the lights.
Yeah.
And then also that's where your phone and everything is, your little pen and paper and everything. There's no drawer. It's just the 2 shelves. Yes, that's your toy drawer. Over here, you have a desk that is on wheels.
Yeah, I do like when they do that.
So we got desk on wheels, chair, lamp, and then another chair. And we are actually in a balcony room. This is a resort view
Deluxe.
deluxe
Deluxe.
something.
Spider car.
Spider-Man car. Do you wanna show everybody the balcony?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do
Open
it.
it. Can you help me? Okay. Let's show them our view. We are on the second floor, so we're one floor below the lobby. But look at it. So we actually have a view out of a little bit of water. It's kind of dark right now. We'll show it when it's daylight. We've got the Swan boats over here, a pool over here. The Swan Reserve is directly across from us. And right behind the Swan Reserve is actually the Tower of Terror. We can see it right over in the distance.
Yeah, the lighting's not going to be the best. You can kind of see it. It's beside that palm tree.
Yeah, we'll
but
show it in the daytime.
Yeah.
We'll pop in some video here of like what it looks like in the daytime to be able to see it. But according to the bellman that brought our bags up, we should be able to see some fireworks from over there. So that would be really exciting. We'll check that out tonight.
I'll definitely add that if we get some good shots of that.
You see it.
Owen sees it too.
So.
Yeah, it's a really great location as far as this balcony. Like, I think that's the best part of the room.
Let's play.
You get a pool view.
Right.
You get this like little lake area. The Swan Reserve is very nice to look at. And then they did have movies on the beach.
Yes,
which they.
There's actually a playground right over here too. We can show some images of it in the daytime. It's a playground where there's some movies. It's dark right now, so you can't really see. But I will say the West Wing has been really nice over here. It's super easy just to take the elevator down to the first floor. It walks right out where we ate dinner at Rosa Mexicano, and it walks straight out to where the boats are to Hollywood Studios and to Epcot, or you can just walk right over to the boardwalk. So it's actually a really convenient location we found. But we've only been here for a day. We're just kind of exploring, but so far I really like it. It's a pretty standard room. As you can tell, it's not like Disney. There's no theming in the room. It's just a generic hotel room, but you are on Disney property. You're getting those Disney Deluxe Resort amenities, like we could do extended evening hours. We obviously have the 30 minutes early going into the hotel, going into the parks if we wanted to. But I will say, keep in mind that since this isn't a Disney hotel, parking is not free here. So if you have a car, you do have to pay to park, and there is a resort fee daily. A phone? Hello? We're talking to Granny.
But it's first impressions. We're really enjoying it.
Right, for the price, it's less than a deluxe resort with a lot of amenities. The restaurants have been amazing. There's some really cute bars around. The other restaurants look great. We haven't tried them. We've only tried one, but I'm talking on the phone over here. But so far,
well,
I really like it.
Yeah, so we've eaten the Mexican restaurant that's here, and it was just excellent. We'll mention that. We'll show our food. We'll talk about how, I mean, it was just very, very good. And then they have it's where we grabbed some, we're going to eat there at some point, I'm sure.
Oh, the fountain where we got ice cream.
Yeah, and we did get some ice cream there. We ended up just
it's
getting
like a soda shop. It has like burgers and things like that. They have a walk-up window where you can grab some ice cream. It really reminds me of Beaches and Cream if you've been there at the boardwalk just right across the way. It was very similar to where they had the walk-up window, or you can go inside and sit down.
Yeah.
But the ice cream was really good.
Yeah, we just got vanilla because that's what he picked. And it was a great choice because we all kind of shared.
One scoop in a cup, but it was a ginormous,
very large,
overflowing cup.
Very large scoop.
All three shared it.
We went from going from 2 scoops to maybe 3 down to 1 because it was very large and we had just eaten. But it was very, very good. Mm-hmm. But yeah, so far it's great.
Yeah, that's probably it from us today.
Yep.
We've had a good day. Very busy in the parks. We didn't do a whole lot, obviously. We just kind of getting settled in, getting unpacked. We're going to Magic Kingdom early in the morning, so we're just going to have an evening in here. Maybe watch some fireworks from the balcony.
Yep.
That's it for the day, probably.
Yeah. It was very crowded. We had a very, very simple day at Hollywood Studios. We were just hungry. We had to get some food, and the crowds were way up there, and excited to enjoy more of the resort. So
I got my phone too.
We will see you guys in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.
typical. You're probably gonna. Yeah, there it is.
It's like a butthole. Cut that out.
Okay.